videos all day and night. So much for you to do with Mommy, Krissy, and KRISSY too. Come along and you'll see. In 1, 2, 3.
Mommy and me. Mommy and me. Mommy and me. Mommy and me. And listening.
Thank you so much for tuning into Mommy and Me.
The listeners.
We have a very special edition. This is Mother's Day, and we get to celebrate today with my mom and all the mothers out there. So say Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
So today we're gonna have my mom, her genie, join us in science experiments. So we have some of KRISSY's favorites. We have
Magic milk.
magic milk. We're gonna do some
Lava
lava lamps, and we're even gonna build a
lamp.
that's gonna launch all the way to the we're so excited, but first we need, where's Genie? Say Genie.
Teeny.
Say, where are you?
Where are you? Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. We're so happy to have her, right? Are we so excited?
Yes.
All right. You ready to do some experiments?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's
All right.
go.
All right. Okay, we're going to get started with our first experiment. The first thing we're going to do is the
Magic milk.
magic milk. So tell Genie what's the first thing that we do.
Pour the milk.
Okay.
Just enough to cover the bottom of the plate. A little more, a little more.
Pour a little more.
Oh, okay. All right. What's the next thing we do, Krissy?
Pour the food color.
Get you a food coloring.
If you food coloring, first spread. Whoa!
Whoa. Kinsley, would you like to pour some? Pour some at the bottom.
Boop, 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 boop.
Good job. All right. What's the next thing we do, Krissy?
We dip the Q-tips in this soap.
We dip the Q-tip in the...
Soap.
Good job. Okay, give Genie a Q-tip.
Thank you.
You dip it in the soap,
Oh.
like Krissy's doing.
Oh, okay.
And then, what do we do?
Dip the Q-tip in the soap.
In the...
Soap.
So,
In the
Milk.
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 Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Awesome.
See the colors? What are they doing, Krissy? There.
Moving around like.
They're moving
Yeah.
around the plate.
Ooh, wee. I like this.
It's like it's science art. So we can really see why it's Krissy's favorite. Do you like it?
I do.
Yes. Oh, Krissy's doing a swirl. All right. You ready to move to the second experiment?
Definitely.
Krissy, are you ready?
I'm doing the swirl.
She's doing the swirl. Zoom in. Can you see? Can you zoom in? Wait, Mavericks. Before you go, stay tuned for part 2. Click the link to see what we have coming up next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.